This is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. The ESP8266 is a low-cost, compact Wi-Fi module designed for IoT applications. In this video, we're going to talk about this Wi-Fi module, the technical details, and make a circuit with Arduino Uno to demonstrate it. It maintains a voltage range between 3 and 3.6 volts and with a current of 70 milliamps but 300 milliamps during Wi-Fi operations. It can be used at tons of applications: IoT devices, smart home automation, weather monitoring, remote monitoring and control, Wi-Fi communication, embedded systems, and so on. There are 8 pins on it. The first one is VCC. It will go to the 3.3 volts pin on Arduino along with the EN pin. There is the ground pin, which is the negative. The TX pin, so the transmitter, goes to the receiver pin on Arduino. And finally, the receiver pin, which goes to the transmitter of Arduino. And the other pins don't concern us at the moment. Now it's time to make the circuit. The main purpose of this circuit is to turn on and off these 2 LEDs via the phone. The circuit connections are as you see on the screen. Circuit is done. Head over to your web browser and write RemoteXY.com and click Start Now. Here is my previous project. So I create a new project here. So from the configuration section, in the connection, choose Wi-Fi, choose Arduino Uno, module ESP8266, the software, Arduino IDE, apply. Alright, then from the screen formats, change the orientation. I'll make horizontal. I change also the background color, so it looks better. In the name, write what do you want, doesn't matter. Let's name it Project 1 and a password randomly. I wrote passwords from number 1 to 8. Then I'll put a switch to the screen and also another one. So this one is LED 1 and this one LED 2. Here choose hardware serial and change the baud rate to 115,200. And from here, choose the pin where the LED is connected to. We're done. Now just get source code and copy the code. Then head over to your Arduino IDE software and just paste the code. And install a library here. Yeah, this one. And include it to your software. Before uploading the code, make sure you remove the RX and TX pins. Otherwise, you'll get an error message. Now again, make the connections. As you can notice, Arduino is turned on, but my ESP doesn't work. And I just realized that I have forgotten to connect the 3.3 volts to the breadboard. Yeah, now it works. Now take your phone and download this application. Once it's installed, go to your Wi-Fi settings. And forget all the possible networks here. And as you can see, here appears the ESP connection. Click here, write the passcode, it doesn't connect. I have to turn off the mobile data and then try again. Yeah, now it's connected. Now open the remote app. Here, add new device, Wi-Fi point, select Wi-Fi point. Now choose the ESP connection, enter the password, yeah. Now let's test it. And yeah, it works perfectly. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I really appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe my channel to support my hard work. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.